You have big dreams, but you never take action. And the scary part? It's not laziness. In the next few minutes, I'll show you the psychological reason why and how to finally break free. 1. The illusion. You think the problem is motivation. You tell yourself, I'll start tomorrow. I just need the right time. I need to feel ready first. But days turn into weeks turn into months, and nothing changes. Here's the truth most people don't realize. You're not stuck because you're lazy. You're stuck because your brain is protecting you. And once you understand how, everything starts to make sense. 2. The hidden trap. There's a psychological trap called mental reward substitution. It means your brain gives you the feeling of success without you actually doing anything. Think about it. You imagine your dream life. The money, the freedom, the recognition. And for a moment, feels real. That feeling? It's dopamine. The same chemical you'd get from actually achieving something. So your brain says, why work hard when we already feel good? And just like that, you stay stuck. 3. Why smart people suffer most. This is why people with the biggest dreams often struggle the most. Because they can imagine more. They can visualize success so clearly that it tricks their brain into thinking progress is being made. But in reality, they're just stuck in a loop. Thinking, planning, imagining, but never executing. And the worst part? They start believing something is wrong with them. Pattern interrupt. Let me make this clear. There is nothing wrong with you. You're not broken. You're not lazy. You're just running a pattern that you were never taught to break. 4. The real reason you don't act. Now here's the deeper truth. It's not just about dopamine. It's about fear disguised as comfort. Because taking action means you might fail, you might look stupid, you might be judged. So your brain chooses the safer option. Dreaming instead of doing. Because dreaming has no risk, no rejection, no failure. Feels productive. But it costs you your future. So the question is, how do you break out of this? 5. The breakthrough shift. You don't need more motivation. You need to stop rewarding yourself for thinking. Here's how. 1. Stop over-imagining the end. Don't focus on the big dream. Focus on the next small step. 2. Make action the only reward. No action equals no satisfaction. Train your brain to feel good only when you move. 3. Lower the entry barrier. Make it so easy you can't avoid it. Not build a business. Just work for 10 minutes. 4. Accept imperfection. You don't need to be ready. You need to start. 6. Emotional close. Right now, there are two versions of you. The one who keeps dreaming and stays exactly where they are. And the one who finally decides, no more thinking. I'm starting. The difference between them? One takes action. The other keeps waiting. Your dreams are not the problem. Your comfort zone is. And until you break that, you'll keep imagining a life you never actually live. If this opened your eyes, subscribe because the next video might be the one that actually changes your life. Also, don't stop here. Watch another video on my channel and keep going.